Welcome to the Procserve training video for requests for quotes. In this video, you will learn how to respond to quotes sent from buyers using the supplier portal. Electronic requests for quotes allow buyers to order items which are not available within their marketplaces. Buyers would raise a request for quote by providing a description and order details of the item they would like to purchase, along with their payment and delivery information. They will then choose a supplier or a selection of suppliers who they'd send this request to. By now, you should have received an email with your username and URL to the Procserve Commerce Network, and a separate email containing your password. On your initial login, you'll be prompted to change your password and to create a memorable word. Once you have logged in, across the top you'll see a number of icons. Select Supplier Portal icon. This will redirect you to the home page of the supplier portal, where you are presented with links to all the various documents that are waiting your attention. In order to see your transaction documents, select one of the links or the Documents tab on the right. Under the tab Documents list, the first filter menu is for document type. Select Request for Quotes from the drop-down box. The second filter menu is for the status of the document. For example, documents not yet viewed. The third filter menu is for the time period. For example, all quotes not yet viewed from this week. A list of all your documents will show up below. Select the quote number on the left of the request for quote you wish to action. You will then see a summary of this appear on the right-hand side under Document Summary. Within the document summary, you can also see if the document has been actioned and whether it has been quoted or sent. Each box will be marked with a yes if it has and a no if it has not. By clicking the first icon, you'll be able to view the document online. Click the second icon to view the PDF version of the document. To mark the document as void, select the third icon. To the right, you can select the green arrow to create a quote for this request without viewing it online first. Please note you will not have this option if your customer is not configured to receive quotes. Select the first icon to view the request. Then click the green arrow to the right of Create Quote to start creating the quote. Before you begin to create the quote, you'll be warned that the quote has not yet been saved. You are prompted to first save in order to generate a quote record. To do so, click the floppy disk icon. You will now be in edit mode where you can edit your quote by adding your price for the item requested or adding additional comments to go with the item or items listed in the quote. The original request lines appear at the bottom under the quote number towards the bottom half of the page. To the right of the requested line items, you'll see green plus icons. Use these to select the line items you wish to add to the quote. As you do this, you will see the lines appear under quote lines. You also have the option to select all of the items in one go by selecting the double plus icon. If you wish to change anything within this quote, simply click on the pencil icon and the editable fields will appear. For example, if the room needs to be cleared of all furniture, this might be something you'd want to note in the comments or description section. The ability to add attachments to the RFQ depends on whether your customer is configured to receive them. If they are not, then you will not be able to send your buyer any attachments. In order to add an attachment, click on the upload icon. This will open up a document browser window where you'll be able to search for the document. Click on your desired document and upload it. This will attach the document to your RFQ. Once completed, click the Save button to confirm your changes. Please note, you can also insert additional lines such as shipping costs or other charges. You can also part quote an RFQ depending on stock levels. Once you are happy with your quote, select the Send button. You will then be notified before sending the quote that you have the option to go back and make any amendments if you wish to do so, or to continue sending the quote, click the Send button. You will then be redirected to the supplier portal. If your quote is accepted, you will receive an order, and if not, you will receive notification letting you know that your quote was unsuccessful. If you need additional support with RFQs or using the supplier portal, please contact the Procserve service desk on 0845 603 2885 or by email at support@procserve.com.